Hey aspiring guitar players, it's Al here from Gold Coast School of Guitar, helping you to play songs for fun. And in this video, what I want to do is just show you an easy way you can get into playing a song like Bird on a Wire by Leonard Cohen. Alright, it's got 4 simple chords. I'm going to keep it really simple with my easy change chords. Or basically they're chords that, bands like Oasis use quite a bit. And a very simple strum pattern. And the strum pattern is just, it's in 3-4 times and it's just all gowns. Again, we're keeping it really, really simple compared to the original, which is a little bit more intricate. And this hopefully gives it a little bit of a more modern sort of country feel that, would sit in well with the Campfire. Where you're sitting around just playing songs for fun. Alright, so the chords that we're going to use, as I said, there's 4 of them. The G shape. I'm going to put the capo on fret 2. It doesn't matter really where you are. This is the original key. You can just move this up and down to suit where your voice is. I'm not going to be singing in this one, but so you can put the capo wherever you want. Capo 2. So you've got the G shape, the D shape, and then it's the C shape, right? And then we're going to do an A type shape, right? And that's going to be in the I don't know, called I don't know whether it's the chorus or I really don't know, the second section of the song. All right. So we've got it's basically 2 parts. So we've got a verse, let's call it verse or part A. Alright, we're going to do a couple of measures on the G shape before we go to the D shape, and then back to the G shape, and then to the C shape, G shape, D shape, G shape, D shape. Right? And the good thing about these progressions, these separate sections, it basically does it twice before you move on to the next section. Now, the only difference is, for this version, is that when you do the verse, the first time you finish on the D shape here, but the second time around, you just stay on the G shape. Alright, so we'll play through it in a second. And I'm just going to do those 2 separate sections. I'm not going to do the full song run through here. Alright, but the strum pattern, nice and simple. It's just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I recommend getting comfortable with that first. Just 1, 2, 3, 1. You want just your arms, it's moving from the elbow here, and you're just strumming down just lightly. You don't have, this isn't a heavy rock song, it's never meant to be. Okay, alright, so follow along with the chord progression as we go through. That's the strum pattern. It doesn't change all the way through. Like so that's the very first progression of the first verse. The second verse, it's exactly the same, except at the end we don't go to the D shape. Right, so the second one is the D. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Holds that G shape. Okay, so there you've got your 2 sections. So what I recommend is just practice each of those sections separately, right? And then add them together, until you can get it going. Right? There's no point trying to learn a song start to finish as a beginner guitar player. You just got to get overwhelmed, you got to get lost, because there's just too much to take on. So take it in small chunks, play it slow, and do repetitions on it. Right? So get that first first down, then work on the second section, or second verse I should say, and then once that's down together, marry those two bits together, alright? And that's still the A section of this song, alright? So the second section, it moves up to the C shape, and this is where we throw in the A, but it just does 4 measures on the C shape before it goes to the G. Just follow along. And then you just put all those parts together. So the song just repeats those. It's two separate sections, but the first section's got 2 different ways to play. All right. So just a quick run through for those 3 parts. Like it. So that's how you play just a simple Campfire version of Bird on a Wire. Alright, so hopefully you've liked it and got something out of this. If you did like it and you would like to see more of this sort of style, I might even start a series of songs on the porch, right? Even though here in Australia we don't have porches, we have verandas, alright? Songs on the veranda, songs on the porch. If you want to see more of that sort of style where I teach these sort of easy to get into day one sort of beginner guitar versions of these songs, hey, drop a comment below and we'll see how we go. Alright, see you on the next one. Bye.